Oh, yeah, we gonna have fucking problems, bro. Oh, we gonna have major fucking problems. I'm about to grab that gun, bitch. Hey, I got the handcuffs off you. Hey!
On the 3rd of February 2022, this woman, allegedly intoxicated or under the influence of drugs, assaulted a shop owner, with unforeseen consequences unfolding before her eyes.
Okay, so what happened?
She was walking to the car and everything. They got into a dispute. She grabbed a hold of his neck and started choking him, pushing him up against the wall and everything. Yeah, his shirt's all torn up. She is either drunk, she's on something, I don't know what it is, but she is just out of her.
So she grabbed him, ripped up his t-shirt for what reason?
Kind of grabbed her.
I have no clue. I caught it at the last second. I came out, and next thing I know, she's daggering after him with her hand on his neck.
She's
shoving him.
Saying she's got a shitload of money and he's refusing to sell her beer, and all she wanted to do was make it home. And
beautiful day in the neighborhood.
I came in here with a lot of money.
Okay.
Okay, he will not let me buy. I tried to buy a pack of beer. Won't let me buy that. I come back with one twisted tea because I have to drive all the way over here. I've drank none. And I was going to drink it right here with my friends. Down the road, one of these roads, I don't know exactly which one. Literally. I think I had a problem with coming back to my hometown and saying, whoa, wow, that's really f***ed up. So I'm having a hard time. I came here with a lot of money. They're all in on it. Y'all can have the money. I don't even know how much money I came in here with. But, hey, I would like to take a breathalyzer and be allowed to buy my beer or use some of my damn money that I'm not leaving with.
Right,
I need to check my car how much. I have some of it. I got some of it. I got some of it.
First of all,
I had a guy pinned up against the wall.
We're gonna stay over here.
You didn't take me. I didn't do nothing wrong. You're not listening. Here you go. You want this? I definitely don't. Look. And when you're in my car stealing my rest of my money that I can't get the beer.
If you don't calm down,
I'm having a hard time. I have anxiety, and my medicine's over there, which is why I was trying to buy an alcohol.
Behind the excuse of anxiety and the wad of cash lies a far crazier truth. What could a woman with uninhibited hands possibly do next while drunk?
If there's anything else, do you want to
step out here?
Step out cameras? Here. No. You know why? Because they were out here.
We're going over here. We're going over here, and we're gonna talk. Okay?
Yeah, I need to talk.
In the back of your car.
No, I'm going by my money because they're robbing me,
You're not
bro.
going in the
I
got
think I lost it this time. Oh, that, dude. I know where the I am. I know. You're not gonna tell me that. Dude, I literally...
You're not going to throw me away from you either, because that's resisting. You will go to jail for that, okay?
I'm not resisting anything because you're not arrested because I've done nothing wrong. I'm 34 years old.
Okay,
I can show you my ID. I can show you that I grew up down this road.
Explain what happened. That's irrelevant. Explain what happened.
It's pretty extensive. I've been here a very long time. I'm pissed, dude. Like, no. How am I not allowed to buy beer? Because I haven't slept? That's not fair. I was literally going to see my friend down here. Honestly, I just feel offended. That's what it came
what
down
happened
to.
today?
I was trying to buy something else. Don't remember what that was. What happened today? What happened the last
Have you had anything to
fucking
drink
year?
today?
I've had apparently a long year. Nothing. I'm on nothing. Nothing.
Step back from me.
I'm on nothing. I'm withdrawing off my medication because I can't make my fucking way back.
She tries to appear as a sane 3-4-year-old demanding freedom, yet admits she is recovering from addiction and suffering severe sleep deprivation.
Ma'am, we're not going back to the store.
Okay, well, I want some of my money back. I handed him a bunch of money for the beer. One pack of beer that's like, at the most $21 or something.
You're not going in the car.
I need to check how much money I have.
In the car.
Okay, you gonna need to check?
No.
Exactly. Actually, don't touch my car. Look, I'm in my hometown. I drink a lot here. I wake up right here. I would buy Gatorade every morning. Apparently, nobody's in there, so it's a little up, okay? I wanted to buy a beer, and I wanted to buy a twisted tea. That's it, bro. That's it. Look at my car. Like, I've been through some shit, dude. If somebody's car looks like that, you don't think they've been through some shit?
Ma'am, step over here,
I
please.
can pass anything.
Step
I'm
right
so
here
sober.
and stay right here. Right here.
Here's my keys, dude. I don't want that. Actually, I'm trying to get the car towed.
Okay.
It's not drivable. That's why I'm here trying to buy a damn beer so that I can calm down because I'm anxiety.
Ma'am,
I'm like going on
over
there.
here.
Dude,
We're going over
I
here.
gave him
All
a
right.
lot of money.
Okay. Okay.
You're not. Yeah, you can go ahead, go ahead. You don't have to hurt me. Okay, you don't have to hurt me.
Thank you.
You can't even be near me. That's the problem. There's two sides to every story. And damn sure your fucking shit is real. And damn sure I fucking pinned you the up.
This way.
You better not, bro. I didn't do nothing. I fucking protected myself. Dude, that. I know where I'm in. Am I home?
Sit.
And I'm at where if someone that puts their fucking hands on me like that, it's over, dude. I will fucking protect myself, and that's what I did. I'm protecting my money. I'm protecting myself.
Okay.
And that's exactly what the I did. And I'll do any other time.
Right. Come with me.
I'll go anywhere you say, sir.
We're going right over here.
I'll go to jail, anywhere, hospital. Don't take me. I live.
Step inside.
I don't live anywhere near where the. I'm not doing nothing, dude. I did. You ain't even arrested me. Why am I in handcuffs? Yeah.
Slide your feet
I know
in.
you're gonna have to. Can you move the truck another way and explain it to me? I can't breathe in here, bro. I can't fucking breathe. Hell yeah, I'm at that fucking level. 2022, and some y'all can't even drive down the goddamn mother road. Bitch, mother. Y'all think yeah, kill me back here. I dare you, bro. Kill me back here. Oh, yeah, we gonna have fucking problems, bro. Oh, we gonna have major fucking problems. I'm about to grab that gun, bitch. Hey, I got the handcuffs off you. Hey!
While the officers were standing outside discussing paperwork, she repeatedly used psychological tactics of suffocation to trick the officers into easing their attention or opening the car door. Furthermore, she swore she would kill the police officers immediately after pleading for her life. However, she didn't expect what would happen immediately after the officers questioned the shop owner.
Beat the shit out of your car.
Oh my God. Now, here, right now, what's the address here? Here's your handcuffs. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You cannot lock me in here and risk my life. I'm on my medication. Please let me just breathe there. Yeah, I put it
This way. Get on my truck.
Yeah, but you cannot lock me in there because I can't breathe in there. There's absolutely no air flow. Like, I'm serious, bro. I want to tell my performance for the last 2 years. I've been everywhere. I haven't done nothing wrong. I have weekly random days. Plus more.
This way.
Plus completed rehab. Plus completed everything.
Get in
No,
the back
you're
of
not.
the truck.
No, you're not. You're not
you-
putting me in. I can't breathe in there. You're not putting me in there. You are not putting me in. If you kill, you might kill me if you put me in there. Yes, sir. That'll work better. On the hot cars better. I have severe anxiety, so all my paperwork right there in my car. Along with some of my medication that will help.
Step it up.
Please. No, I can't go back. No, I'll do whatever you guys say. Please. You can't put me in there without air. I'm serious, bro. I'm serious, bro. You can hit me with some of my medication. You cannot put me in
Like,
there.
you can clear traffic. That's one van that's resisting me.
Yeah, you fucking hammer. I'm just trying to breathe, man. I'm serious. I'm serious, bro. It's all my paperwork still. I don't care about the money.
Stop.
Take all the money. This is all about the money. Take that money. You think I need that money?
Stop.
I do need it. But it ain't worth killing somebody over. You got me f***ed up. If I f***ed die, it's going to be over a hell of a lot
You're
more
going in
than
the
that.
back. You're going in the back of the truck.
If you put me back in the truck, I do.
You're getting-
Sir, you have to put the air on. That's all I'm asking for, sir. Sir.
Step in.
Sir, you have
Step in the truck.
to. You have to tell me.
I'll turn the
Are you
air
gonna
on.
Put the air on, sir.
Okay. I'll turn the air on if you get in the truck.
We will turn the air on.
have
You
all
will
the
step in the
All
truck.
the paperwork's in my car. Yes, I'm getting in the truck. You hurt my shoulder. We're gonna have problems.
If you bang on my window again,
I had to bang on your window because I cannot breathe.
if
Do
you bang on my window
understand
again,
that?
you're getting a vandalism charge.
I'll
Do you
take the
understand that?
vandalism charge.
Move your foot.
You're not. Are you going to turn? Why don't you turn the
I'm
air
gonna
on?
tase you.
Will you turn the
I'm
air
gonna
on?
tase you.
Please turn the air on. That's all
I
I'm
will.
asking, sir.
Put your feet in the truck.
Tase me.
Now.
I'm doing.
I'm not playing with you.
Okay, but you cannot leave me here because you will not hear me. Please turn the air on.
I
That's
heard
all I'm
you.
asking
We
you.
will turn the air on.
The woman was trying to find various excuses to obstruct the police's statements and resisting law enforcement. Given this unruly behavior, the police used force to restrain her while she was in an uncontrollable state.
Breathe, bro. You're not f***ing my hair in my mouth.
That's fine. You're talking, you're breathing.
I'm dehydrated. That's why I was trying to buy some beer.
Beer dehydrates you more. That's the wrong decision.
I come in there with a shit ton of money, whole f***ing rubber band of money. How much money you need, mother? Okay, and then I try to buy a f***ing couple beers, and they want to rob me. Cut it all in half. Y'all need it more than me. Y'all need it more than me. I don't give a f***. That shows how f***ing sorry you are. God sees your soul. Ooh, and they're leaving me this hot car. Hey, yes sir, yes sir. Yes, sir. Very dehydrated. I asked very nicely for some water, my medication. If I could give you my keys, I think I got them in my pocket.
I'm not gonna give you medication because
Okay,
I don't know exactly
okay.
what you need.
I need to know what's going on because I want to call my lawyer right now. I'm not
You'll
gonna
have the
fight you,
opportunity.
sir, but I need to call my lawyer
You'll have
right
the
now.
opportunity.
No.
You'll have
dude.
the opportunity.
No, I'm not. No,
Touch
I
it.
can't breathe good
Put
enough
your foot
in
back
here.
in my truck.
No, I cannot breathe. This is like life or death. You cannot.
Put your life.
Can you guys just watch me for a minute? If I don't move, please, sir. I've been asking
Get
him
your
every
foot
time
off of my truck.
Can you please
I'm gonna
call my
tase
doctor? You can tase me. but
I'm
you
gonna
call
tase you.
Well, then call my doctor.
Look, right here.
No, I want to be tased, so he'll take me. He has to take me to the hospital.
We're gonna
right?
take you to the hospital
Yes,
anyway,
please,
because the
sir,
way you're
because
acting.
I don't have my.
So look.
No, I'd rather him tase me. Bro, I don't feel good. You're not locking me in here. You're not locking me in here, bro.
God.
I am so close slower. Run a breathalyzer on me.
What's
I've been up for
what is
2
this
days.
right here?
My lips are chapped. I'm dehydrated.
okay?
I'm dehydrated. Dude.
Okay.
Can you see what I'm doing?
I can. Here.
I'm not even doing nothing. I do everything. That you guys are not gonna kill me.
We're not going to
Are you
kill
bringing
you.
me water?
Yes, if you sit in the
Can
truck.
you roll down the window?
Yes,
Can you
if
do
you
something?
sit in the truck.
Well, you're the first one, so thank you very much,
Yes,
sir. Sorry
if
it
you
was
sit
so
in the
rude.
truck. How many we
Yeah. You're trying to save your life by resisting me?
I have anxiety. I was trying to breathe.
Okay.
That's what I was doing in the store. You're telling me
Okay, that's not what you said to me whenever you were resisting me.
because I'm trying to save my life. You know that feels like.
We're done with this conversation. Thank you.
Her toxic actions stemmed from a mindset of privilege and a loss of control due to stimulants. From assaulting the shop owner to extreme defiance of the law, her words were contradictory. She used money to bribe and anxiety to portray herself as a victim, only to then insult and threaten to kill the police. This is evidence of an inflated ego, blindly believing that wealth and sophistry could override justice.
Put me on the news. Where is this? What is this place called? You got a name yet? I ain't going to jail with him, but we about to fight to the death. Fat He probably been his fucking ass beat by a little ass bitch that hasn't eaten in probably 7 months. I can't even move because I escaped to try to save my own life. And my attorney's name is my fucking cousin, Catherine. I don't know where she graduated, but she's been done a couple years and she's ready. I know that, bitch. Sir, why am I still being detained? I'm dehydrated and you have told me nothing. Is this being recorded? Because it needs to be.
Yes, it's being.
I very sure hope so.
Okay.
I'm on Volusia County probation. Felony. Drop down though. Yeah, withhold. Take me. You assaulted me and I stood up for myself and I'm going to be on the news saying it.
Okay.
Not you, the other guy. And you didn't even investigate properly. And I will protect myself, and I recommend any woman to protect herself too, because whatever charges you got, homie, let me finish please talking. Whatever charges you are going to put on me, please let me speak, talk. Stop. No, listen. No, I am worried about it.
You got his beat, why are you worried about it?
I'm worried about it, bro, because you're falsely arresting me.
A fitting end for someone who disregards the law. After her aggressive behavior, assaulting the shop owner, and resisting arrest, the suspect was found guilty of 4 charges. A 30-day jail sentence is a costly lesson for her reckless and uncontrolled attitude. Do you think her actions were right or wrong? Let me know in the comments.